So I tested the Quora traffic. I remember it was 164 views. Other day it's up to now 206. So this is what we done. So we posted answers to questions via Quora, which we'll get into in. So in just a couple of days, I've almost 200 views to the answers, the questions which we posted, which basically what we've done, if we go into this question here, it was via ChatGPT, so that's how you get to post the answers. If we head over to ChatGPT just now, and you just really type it in, and it's great. It posts the answers, and we found out yesterday how we find questions so that it does bring in views. And the point of this adds leads to our business. If we head over to our System E account, which is autoresponder, and you'll see there. So once we get views to answers to the questions, it takes us to our landing page. So once they come here, they put in their email, they access the free training, and we build their email list. So that's the point of Quora, and it really does work. It's a method that works. So come inside and see our business. Check the link in the description, and we'll see you there.